Dear Day of Atonement, I need to tell you something. You've been haunting me. See, I've been watching people perform their faith like it's a crime scene cover-up. And you're the detective that won't quit. Back in ancient Israel, you were no joke. The high priest spent days preparing just to enter God's presence once a year. One mistake and he'd die. They literally tied a rope around his ankle in case they had to drag his body out. 2 goats waited outside. One died for the sins. The other carried them into the wilderness, never to return. The people fasted. They searched their hearts. No Instagram posts, no spiritual selfies, just raw, honest confession. But here's what gets me. You're still working cases today. You see right through our carefully filtered faith, our Sunday morning posts and our Monday morning hearts, our church check-ins and our actual checkouts. You taught me something the Memphis detectives know well. The truth always surfaces. God's not fooled by our performance. He wants our hearts, not our highlight reels. The evidence doesn't lie.